getting out of here. Are you going to help me or what?
Actually, all the survival guides say to sit and wait, and help will come.
No one is coming. We're on our own, and if we just sit here, we're going to die.
Yes! 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 No! Nigel, get out of the way. Stop! Why don't you just open the door?
Are you kidding me?
What? It's just a standard Phillips light bulb. Just rotate it.
What are you doing?
Oh, I can't.
What? You can't what?
I can't fly!
You couldn't tell me this before now.
I did it better before now. I hate you.
Is there anything else I need to know?
Yes, I can't fly. I pick my beak, and once in a while I pee in the bird bath. Happy? There they are.
We gotta get out of here.
Wait, listen to me. Flying may not be my thing, but walking is. Follow my lead. Inside leg, outside leg.
Yeah, okay, I got it. Inside, outside.
Yeah, come on. See? I'm bilingual too.
Oh, this is great. I'm sure you're the only bird in the world who can't fly.
Actually, there are about 40 species of flightless birds.
Stop!